Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company. It's Monday, April 15th. Hopefully the tax gods are nice to you.
Yes.
I'm here with my good buddy Manda
Hey.
from Manda Pandas, and she's going to share with you some of our very favorite candles. But first I wanted to show you what I finished over the weekend, and this is going to be a kit in the shop. It's called Sea Travelers, and really all I did was bind it because it came as a pre-printed digital quilt top, but this is exactly what yours will look like if you make it. And we do have those here in the shop, and I will say this collection, which is called Sea Breeze, has been wildly popular. So if you're interested in grabbing one of these kits, they're going to go fast, and I think we have probably less than 10 of them. So I just wanted to show you that as a finished product because it always looks better finished than as a digital quilt top. And then I have some other fun things to show you at the end, some very secret stuff. So we're going to move over to Amanda and let her tell you about her awesome candles, and then we'll come back.
Awesome, very nice. And the Sea Breeze kind of goes with our Ocean Breeze, which is one of our popular ones. So we've got a few new exciting vessels for Mother's Day. It's our Mother's Day trio. They all have a little jasmine note in them, especially the black currant jasmine. We've got the currants to round that out with a little sweet note. The sea salt orchid is one of my all-time top 3 favorites. Very floral and oceanic. And then we've got the Day at the Spa. The look of it takes you right to the spa. It's a little sweeter on the notes there. We will have matching sugar scrubs and bath bombs to correlate with all of those scents. Other are single and double wick.
I have this one at home. I love it.
That is
It's
so
a good one.
The watermint clementine. It's a clean citrus. You can't go wrong with that.
It's very springy.
Yes. We also have our melts and our assortment packs. And then we've got our giveaways, and it'll be a large sea salt orchid and then a bath bomb and sugar scrub of Day at the Spa.
Ooh.
So we can't wait to see you out there.
So tell me, what is your favorite?
My
scent?
favorite all day is white tea.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh.
But Alex is my brother, who's my right-hand
Also
man.
great.
Yeah. Watermint clementine's his favorite. But like I said, sea salt orchid is top 3 usually all the time. Ocean Breeze is one of the first ones I poured. I did the seashells on top of that, and that's what gave me the inspiration to do all of the fun creations on top to distinguish all the scents.
Yeah. So Amanda will be here for like the 25th time.
Yeah.
At our handmade
I'm so
market.
excited.
I think you guys have been at every one
for
for
since the
a
beginning.
few years. Yeah.
Yes.
So we're really excited to have her
Yes.
back.
We're so
Yeah.
excited.
We're soy excited. They're soy wax candles, so she has to use
Yes.
the word soy. And the thing I'm really excited to show you is our row by row designs for
Aw.
2024. This year the theme is Sow a Season, and there's dog hair all over these because I was binding them yesterday. Thank you. And so we chose Year of the Fox. So we have Spring Fox, Summer Fox, Fall Fox, and Winter Fox. And these are very, very easy appliques. So if you look at, for example, the Summer Fox, that's only 4 pieces. The entire block is a 4-piece applique. So very attainable, very easy to do. And because it was so fun to do, I also made it in a long version. So all you have to do is turn your blocks 90 degrees, and you've got it in the long version, which might be nice for a skinny hallway or a doorway, or just something small that you want to hang this way. So these are part of Row by Row Experience, which begins in June. And if you visit the shop, you get a free pattern, which includes all the instructions and templates and things you need to make this. And we're also going to be selling kits. So you can pre-order kits, and I will be sure to put the link in the description of today's video if you'd like to pre-order a kit, which comes with all the fabric you see here. So that's what we have for you today. I hope you guys have a great day. And don't forget, Handmade Market is this Saturday.
Yes.
So these candles aren't going to be out of here for very long before they're right back.
Yes.
So be sure to put that on your calendar. The weather looks promising.
It looks so nice.
I've been
really excited.
maniacally checking
Yeah.
the weather. But it's going to be good.
Absolutely.
And we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow.
See you on
Bye.
Saturday.